Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Differences between inflammatory arthritis and non-inflammatory arthritis. So mainly the arthritis can be divided into two types. First we have inflammatory arthritis, we have non-inflammatory arthritis. So if we see the differences between inflammatory arthritis and non-inflammatory arthritis. So first is morning stiffness. Morning stiffness Morning stiffness is present for more than 1 hour in inflammatory arthritis, and it is present for less than 1 hour in non-inflammatory arthritis. Then we have synovial fluid. In the synovial fluid, the WBC count per millimeter cube. The synovial fluid WBC count per millimeter cube is almost 2,000 to 10,000 WBCs are present per millimeter cube in the synovial fluid in inflammatory arthritis, whereas in non-inflammatory arthritis they are less, 200 to 2,000 WBCs are present per millimeter cube in non-inflammatory arthritis. Then signs of inflammation are present for inflammatory arthritis, and they are absent for non-inflammatory arthritis. Then new bone formation is uncommon in inflammatory arthritis, and it is common in non-inflammatory arthritis. On X-ray in inflammatory arthritis, you will see that there is rare faction is seen on X-ray in inflammatory arthritis, whereas in non-inflammatory arthritis, osteosclerosis is seen in non-inflammatory arthritis. Then if you see the synovial fluid viscosity in inflammatory arthritis, it will decrease, whereas in non-inflammatory arthritis, it is normal. So thus if you see that new bone formation is mainly characterized by sclerosis and osteophyte formation. New bone formation with sclerosis and osteophyte formation is mainly seen in osteoarthritis. It is seen in osteoarthritis, and this osteoarthritis is a non-inflammatory arthritis. Okay, whereas if you see new bone formation may also be seen in inflammatory arthritis also. It may also be seen in inflammatory arthritis, that too in the advanced stages. We can see new bone formation in inflammatory arthritis also.
thank you and thank you for watching.